So we've talked about the IBM Support Desk for Maximo before and why it often feels lacking. And again, as just a summary, you have thousands of customers across dozens of industries with very specific use cases. IBM would have to have thousands of people on staff who are always going out in the field and getting trained to be able to speak to all those business scenarios, and that's unrealistic. So they focus on supporting the technology. But as an enterprise, especially a global enterprise, you do need someone who is an expert in both Maximo as you have it configured, as well as your business, the way you do business and why you do that. And that's where Banetti comes in. So Banetti, we grew up here in the US where Miami is our headquarters, but we have offices in Lisbon, in Kolkata, in Sao Paulo, Mexico City, Toronto, and growing. And those offices aren't just help desk people, those are Maximo consultants. So we have a global presence of Maximo delivery, and that enables us to provide our customers with true 24/7 support from people who are Maximo aware and business aware. So it's not just the matter of being able to pick up a phone, so to speak, but it's really about being able to understand the request that's coming in, why it's critical to your business, and how to help resolve that. And the value being driven is measured in how little downtime the job or the individual or the system experiences because of that support. And so when we work with customers who sign up for our support desk, we work to dig deep and go back to the system design doc. Why was the system designed this way? What are your standardized processes? We don't just go in and start fielding calls. We get in, we assess, we understand, we become knowledgeable about your system and your deployment and why you do business the way you do it. And that's the difference. You know, I often say we're like the Four Seasons concierge to the world of Maximo. Our goal is to be right there at your fingertips, just close enough that you can get us, but not quite annoyingly so. And that's what we do with our support desk. We make sure we're there when you need us, where you need us, with the right people to answer your questions and get you where you need to be. Love to hear your thoughts, love to hear your questions, comments, likes, subscribe. Look forward to talking to you about global support.